All right, yes, we got it.
Have a ball of it all.
Hello everyone, welcome to Lucky Gambler. Take a look at what I found. A Lightning Buffalo link that someone left. Looks like they just hit. So let us see and do their follow-up spin because they didn't do their follow-up spin. This is a big mistake I see from gamblers. They don't follow up on their spins. So I shall for them. I think they're betting $10. That's why you gotta do a follow-up spin, guys. They were on this denom. I saw it, had to jump on it. Let's go. Mini is 100, minor is 500. Wow, here we go. Let's just go straight to the major, shall we? 12,000. Come on, hit it. Always do a follow-up spin. I understand the bonus just hit. You think the machine ain't gonna give again, but sometimes it does. Sometimes it gets hot and it just wants to give. That's where we make our money. We gotta strike while the iron is hot. And this one may be ultra hot and give us a $12,000 grand. We shall see. All right, that's it. Oh, I can speed it up. $180. Bought in for 600. Hit right away. Numbers creeping up. It's at 918. Let's see, this machine may not be done with this yet. Okay. Some buffaloes. Coins. They're coming out nice and easy, nice and smooth. That's always a good sign for me. $10 a spin though, we have to keep our eye on the prize here. Make sure our money doesn't go away. Coinage. Okay. Positive, lots of buffalo. Seen some coins. Hitting some numbers every once in a while, that's good. Need a flurry of numbers. Come on. We were live. Needed 4 at the end. There's 3. No. Seeing about a coin per spin. Let's combine it. 3 and 1. Do it to it. Where you at? Ooh. Come on, let's do better. All right. House money is gone, guys. This is real money now. Coinage. That's our best shot at coins thus far. I like when it just gives it to us, just 3. Takes the stress out of it. Just give it to me right away. I'll catch it on the river too, but come on. Nice and easy. It's a $100 mini. Moving the ticker up almost to 1,000. We'll break 1,000 here soon. Let's go. But I'm more interested in $1,000. Which would be the major. Major is $1,000. I can see it happening. I can see it. It's in my field. All right, we're at 1,000 at the ticker. Coins. All right, let's give it a break. Let's go to $5 spins. Oh, almost hit coins right off the bat. I like to switch denoms. Ticker's up nice and high on this one too, 875. About halfway there. Come on. Give us the bonus. Not enough. Cougars. Ooh. Cougar. Needed a cougar at the end. Coin. Nope. Coins. Coins. Yep. Nope. 888. Oh. Didn't hit. Hey, that should pay. $15. It's 3 bets. Look at that. It's a good number. It's a good number at $5 spin. Haven't hit yet. What's going on? Should have just hit the backup spin and gone. Ooh, took a quick break, guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, wifey called, so I had to answer. Ooh. See if she brought me some good luck. She typically does. She brings me that lady luck. Oh, needed a buffalo in the middle there. Where are we at? 268. Our buy-in was 600. One coin away. Let's go, big. Needed a whole row of 4 there. Come on. Come on, Cougars. Ooh. Oh, we got kings. That's a $30 hit. Come on. A little bit of Cougs. Come on. ¿Dónde están los coins? Yep, yep. Oh, too short. Oh. Big, big, dang gummit. How many is that? Oh, we were 1 short, guys. There was a $75 ball in there. 1 away. How are we feeling? Is it gonna hit? Are you, or are you not, going to hit? Do it. Coin, coin. Oh. It's our best shot for coins in a while. Come on. Switch it up a little bit. $10 bet. Needed to hit 4 at the end. We're due a good coin bonus. $20 hit. Too short. Buffaloes. Oh, needed the wild in the middle. Do it. Do it. Yes. Turn down the volume a little bit and let's hit the minor. Minor for 500. All right, it's $10. Every little bit helps. Every little bit counts. Minnie, where you at? I see you. I see you in there, Minnie. Make an appearance. Make an appearance, Minnie. Oh, minor. Do it. Do it. Do it. It's 20 bucks. 2 left. 2 left for El Grande. 1 to go. Do it. Pop it. $12,000 Grande. Rapid pay. 230. Let's go, guys. Lucky Gambler is officially back in business. Oh, and we got a room running the sale, baby. Business is good. It's hot. Bringing in all takers. What do we got? A little something, something. I need some of those. And we need some coinage. Coins. One more. Oh, it was there. One more. Come on. Yep. Hit it. Do it. Yes. Oh, I love catching them on the river. What is that? A little bit, a little bit. Come on, guys. We got to get paid on this bonus. Dang. Missing a connector. Coin, coin. Oh, bummer bonus alert, guys. 32 bucks. I was really thinking that coin bonus was gonna be bigger since we had to wait so long for it. $60, twice as big as that coin bonus. Seems like the numbers are live and wildly. They want to make another appearance. Also, the ticker's ticking. 1060. Oh, yes! That's some good numbers right there, guys. 200 bucks, 100 bucks. Let's go, guys. We are cooking with gas. Pop it. Get out of there, 10. Where's the big ones? Bring your big friends. Bring those big ones. All right, 20. A little better. 50. That's what I'm talking about. Mini. 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 Right here. Oh. Really happy with this one, guys. This is our biggest bonus yet. Count it up. Rapid scan. Boom, 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 boom. 550. Let this one dance a little bit. Yeah, we're feeling good. Thank you for all the coinage. All right, we're up. We're up $250. And the ticker keeps on ticking, guys. Ooh, there's the mini. $1,100 seems to be a good number for that ticker. Of course, that is wishful thinking. I always say 1,100. Because we're almost there. A couple backup spins, and then we'll switch denoms. I think the major just made a quick little brief flash at us. Put itself in our field. Wow, that was an incredible hit. This denom is definitely treating me well. Mooses. Coinage. Do it. Wow. Do it. Do it. Wow, I just think it's gonna do it every time. And there it is. We hit just under 1,100. All right. Free games? Yeah, free games. This is exciting. Oh, connect. Well, we got coins, but I was hoping for some buffaloes there. It's 3x of whatever that is. That could be something. 135 bucks on the first spin, and we got a re-trigger. Pretty good start, guys. Eagles and tens. Coin. Oh yeah. I'm liking this feature so far. Go, go, go. Ooh. Come on. And coin. Ooh. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh, wow. That's a good size balls right there. Coinage. That's what I'm talking about. I do believe that we're going to hit the Buffalo feature. Coins tell me so. Giving us a lot of shots at it. Oh, one short. Come on. Oh, rapid spin. Stopped it. And got some coins. Do it. Do it. Coin, 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 coin. Ooh. Yes. Yes. A lot of ways to win there. And we didn't hit any. It happens. It happens. Do it. Oh my word. Where's the coin? Throwing away some valuable spins here. Come on, make them count. Make it happen, Captain. 3 more. Coin. Yes. Adjust my chair here. All right, there we go. Camera moved a little bit. Nothing really has connected since that very first hit for 135. I think we're gonna see some really nice Buffalo numbers make an appearance. Do it. 1 more. Shoot. So close. All right, yes, we got it. $100 ball. Yay, what a great free feature. Hey, it's a $50 ball. Lucky gambler. Feeling good, hitting a mini. It's a mini Monday. It's not Monday, but it's a mini. Let's go, come on, save it. Oh, it's a $200 ball. Yes. What a feature. Do the minor while you're, another $200 ball, guys. Lucky gambler, let's go. Hit it. All right, last one. Oh, I see the major. Pop it. Oh, wow, it made an appearance. Rapid spin. Count them up. 820. Heck yeah. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Throwing up the coins. Coin shower, baby. Very happy, very grateful. Oh yeah, we still got a whole bonus left, guys. 8 games to go. Let's go, coins. Ooh. We could very much trigger the bonus again. Coin, yes. Lucky gambler, fully back in business. Let's see a progressive. Do it. Ooh, too short. Eagles, almost. Big. Almost got the Cougs. We're close to hand pay territory. 2 left. Coin. Do it, do it. Oh man, this didn't line up. Wow, that could have been massive. We just needed a wolf here, an eagle there. Gosh, there was a lot of ways to win there. But I'm not complaining. That was a $979 win. All right, well, let's do a couple backup spins. We hit our goal. 1 coin short. Couple backups. Wow, it's a $500 ball there. Something. Coinage. Coinage. Do it. 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 1 more. Is it gonna do it? No. All right. Let's go down to the $5 denom and hit this one. It's at $9.85. I don't think we've hit much on this denom, so we could be due a bonus. Let's chase it a little bit. We're up quite a bit, about $1,000. Let's go. All right, small denoms, but I always hit that minor on the small denom, so I'm optimistic. The minor will make an appearance. The minor will make an appearance. Oh, wow, that was it. All right, I think they shorted me a spin, but all right, I'll trust it. $50 hit. We'll take it. It's nice that it's, you know, it's hitting. Maybe it shook off the rust and it's gonna hit again. 2 coins. Love to see it. Love to see 3 even more. There's 1. And nothing. 10-10. Will 1100 do it on this one? We shall see. Let's chase it for a little bit. Let's not go crazy. I like to take a win on Buffalo when I can. Cougars. Ooh. Money back. Hey. 4 at the end. Yes. 2 more. Yes. There we go. It's hot, baby. It's hot. Lucky Gambler. Come on, baby. Minor. Holding out for the minor. It's a $500 minor. Where it goes, nobody knows. All right, there's 2 10s. Good to see a little bit better denom than 5. Can't complain though, I am betting $5 to spin. Come on, minor. Where are you at? All right. Fill it up already. Last spin. Ooh, all right. Let's see what we got. All right. 110 this time. All right, we're up 1,000. But I'm feeling good. Let's keep going. Oh my goodness. 250, 100. Dang. Left us hanging at the end though. Come on. Buffaloes. 4 more. I'm calling for coins. I think coins are due. I mean, I'll take Buffaloes, but I don't think we've seen coins yet, have we? Maybe we did on this denom. Hard to remember. It all blurs together. Coins, 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 coins. Nope. Yes? All right, 4 more. Come on. All right. Coin, 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 coin. Dang it. 4 more. All right, where the ticker is 1059. We're definitely in striking range. It likes to hit once it gets over 1,000. But again, not always. In fact, I think the one I just had when I was betting $10 to spin, that's a $48 hit, is probably the best free feature bonus I ever had. I think the vast majority of those have always been bummer bonuses, but maybe it's time it's gonna balance out and all those are gonna be super big hitters. Doesn't take much, you know? A couple minors, maybe a major. You can hit a hand pay, even at $5. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Cougs. Almost. Keeping an eye on my money. Just dropped below 1,500. At this point, are the Buffalo worth it? I would say, let's go to 1,400, reevaluate. No problem walking away at 1,400. Be a very good win. The video is about 20 minutes long. That should satisfy the algorithm. Ooh, wow. All right, we're at 1,100 on the Buffalo ticker. 2 more. No, I think I needed 3 more. No. Come on, do it, do it, do it. All right, I'm seeing some Buffaloes appear. Could be due for another hit. All right, we're at 1,400. Let's go a little bit more. I'd say 10 spins more. Coin. Cougs. Ooh. Bring home the business. Money back. Okay. Okay. No? No Buffaloes? Come on. These Buffaloes are going to hit any second now. I think a coin bonus would get us there. The free feature, I mean. Come on, 4 more. Some good numbers. Do it. Do it. Come on. Something. Queens? Not enough. Not enough to pay. I'll go a little bit more. Now we're gambling. We're chasing. Playing with our winnings. But I think we'll get it back in one fell swoop. Come on, Lucky G. Do it for me. Gone cold on us, guys. No other way to put it. Bleeding money here. Need a bonus and we need it fast. Come on, coin. Coin! Dang it. Really don't want to go past 1,200 on this chase. Ooh, come on, you did 4 there. 4 more. You were there. You could have. Really? 2 spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, got the coins. All right, guys. Let's get something huge here and let's knock down the ticker. All in one move. Coin. Aces. That's $30. Coin, 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 coin. There we go. Good start, guys. Good start. Coin. Coin. Do it. Ooh. Coin, coin, coin. All right, what is that? 10s? We're up to $48 now. Do it. Oh. Come on, get us in there. Do it. $50, guys. Not really gonna cut it for us. There's $12. Well, the ticker's up to a pretty big number, 1226. But again, mathematically, most of the time it's not worth it. The machine isn't humming. A couple backup spins, see if we get something here. No. Coin. Coin. Dang, I thought we were gonna get the coin there. 4 more. Nope. That was a bummer bonus, guys. I was hoping for the world on that one. You know, you chase these bonuses long enough and you want them to deliver something big. Come on. Where's my energy? Where's my coin? There it is. All right, we chased it. Let's see if it pays off. Come on, something big. Oh, free games. How exciting. Do it. Oh. What the hell? $15. Come on. Coin, coin, coin. Coin. Yes. Saved by the coin. No. Do it. Do it. Uh-huh. Looking brutal, guys. Looking like a bummer bonus. Bummer bonus alert. We need something here. Need it. And we didn't get it. Well, see what I mean about that bonus not being worth chasing? Case in point. Couple backup spins. Oh, one way. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it right there. This has been a very fun Buffalo session. We won about $400, almost $500. This is Lucky Gambler. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.